Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today, I'm making peanut butter chicken. Now, I just heard the big old huge mass, don't. I did the exact same thing when the first time I ever heard it, and I was very, very skeptical until I tried it. Once I tried it, I was in love. So, please watch the whole entire video and try it yourself, because I guarantee you will like it. So let's get to cooking. Alright y'all, we're going to make the peanut butter sauce here first, because we're going to grill the chicken breasts and we're going to brush this on after we're done grilling them, and then that'll be the ending. So start out with, well, roughly 2.5 tablespoons of peanut butter, and I like the creamy. I have had it with the chunky peanut butter, and it's very good that way too, but I prefer the creamy myself. Now some soy sauce, and about a tablespoon of soy sauce. That's about a tablespoon. You can adjust it to your liking. And this is the premium fish sauce here, so maybe a tablespoon of that, maybe a little less, but now if this won't mix together, which isn't really mixing together real well, put it in a microwave for 10 seconds or so until it gets real creamy like, and then you can mix it up. So I'm going to throw this in the microwave, heat it up just a little bit, and we'll bring you back to show you what it looks like after it's all ready to go. Alright y'all, got that kind of warmed up there. I'm just going to kind of smooth this around, try to get that all mixed in together. Now, I may have to add a little bit more peanut butter to it, but she's mixing in there pretty decent. Eventually all that soy sauce and fish sauce will get mixed in. Like I said, if you need to, put a little bit more peanut butter in there to help absorb it, but this is gonna, now see how that's gotten nice and smooth. All that soy sauce and fish sauce are basically absorbed into there. So, alright. Now the sweetness of the peanut butter and the saltiness of the soy sauce, very, very good together. And the fish sauce just gives it that little bit of Asian, a little more Asian kick to it. So, alright, there we go. Look at that, nice and creamy. So, let's get out to the grill and we'll get to cooking them chicken breasts on the grill. You can do this in the oven too. If you bake the chicken breast, and then right towards the end, brush this on, and then let it cook on there. It's good that way too, but I really enjoy it grilled better. So let's get to the grill. All right, y'all. Let's get our chicken on here to cook. The grill's warmed up enough. So. Alright, we're going to let that cook up, and then eventually we'll get to the point to where we're going to start putting the peanut butter sauce on it. So, alright, bring y'all back. Alright y'all, that chicken's pretty well grilled up. We're going to slather on our peanut butter goodness here. And for now, just get a big old chunk on there, because it's going to get hot, it's going to kind of melt, and it will coat the chicken as it melts. Y'all, this smells so good. My mouth's watering just thinking about eating it. So, alright, there we go. We're going to close the lid, let that melt down, and once it melts down, we'll kind of smoosh it around a little bit, maybe flip it over, do the other side, and we'll be ready to eat. Alright, y'all, let's check on these chickens here. Ooh, yeah. They're looking good. Looking good, looking good. Let's see how that's kind of melted down there. Alright. Slather this side up here. Ooh. Alright, y'all. I'm going to close this hood, let it cook. And next thing we see, we'll be in the house. We'll be chowing down. So, alright, y'all. There you have it. My peanut butter chicken. So, let's do a little tasty test here. So, I got my plate of chicken here. I got my peanut butter chicken there. That is so good, y'all. I gotta have another piece. The nuttiness of the peanut butter, the sweetness, that little hint of salt from the soy sauce and the fish sauce. So, wash it down. We got some A&W root beer. Grilling and beer, nothing goes better together. So, hope y'all liked it. I really do hope y'all are going to try it, not turn your nose up at it. This is kind of a little short video, but it's a really delicious one. So please try this one before you scoff at it. And if you try it and you don't like it, then come at me. But it is delicious, I guarantee it. I've never steered you wrong as of yet. So appreciate y'all watching. Please hit that thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. Ring the bell to get all the notifications, everything we do here in the kitchen, in the garage, the tractor pulls, everything we do. So appreciate it, and come in and watch the Sunday live stream, 7 p.m. Eastern time. Every Sunday we're there. We talk about everything. We talk about the cooking. We talk about the tractor pulls, small engine repair, you know, everything, life in general. So love y'all, and thank y'all again for the 3,000 subscribers. That is awesome. Never thought we'd even get close to this high. So love y'all, and as always, bon appetit. Peanut butter, and jelly. No jelly on this. Peanut butter, no jelly. Because this is delicious.